What doesn't matter. How many? Oh, is that right? Fur has a pretty head on it, doesn't it? I'd say will.
That boy of mine just shit. Get home.
Really?
Oh, he'll be shit. He's 8 years old. He's rotting as hell. Take that out the shot.
Look here. That's Bella, ain't it? Oh, boy. What
I can't wait till we get the last two guesses. We'll get everything ready.
You don't like?
Yeah. Who's doing that?
Dog.
Oh, that's everything you know.
Yeah, I thought you was the youngest.
Me?
He's older
Who?
than you?
Yeah, he's older than me.
That ought to be right there, shouldn't it? That thing will hang around there.
Now you gotta get one anchored around his neck.
You should have one about there.
Where's that other rope, Chuck, I gave you?
It's in mine.
Hack a piece of that.
Little rope.
Go ahead and get one around his neck and get ready. Once I get Starkey gets a dollar off these two coming your way.
Here, Jeff, you just don't watch this. I'll shut mine back.
You're the banker today, right? Another one? You're the banker today.
Let him get in there and scratch it. Nelly,
Grab his feet. Tell us how much you're paying. Another dog. Then I am going to head back to work. Keep giving back.
5 years old.
95. Huh? 95 pounds. Well, you're low. What, come around everything else? Oh, you're going to eat that Mr. Tardy. Okay. Hey, did you pick Gifford?
Back that truck up and get up on it.
Yeah, because
How much is it?
Things in 5 pound sacks.
I live 135.
135.
not quite 140.
38.
That's quite 40. Jimmy got it. He's rated. What do you? Oh, I had 140. My God, I'll tell you.
Where you at, Jim?
Right here. See, sit back there grinning.
Well, who won it? You won 38.
Randall 137. I thought you were saying.
Jeff! Boy, I tell you what, you better get up.
138.
140. I tell you, Tommy, look at it again. Okay,
We got a tie.
Like I said, this bear was started going around toward the park near Ronnie Dean's and was treed underneath Dennis Vaughn's house there going toward the dump.
I just get it out the flash and eat something.